Camp Crystal Lake campers and counselors. And I figured out there's an easier way to do that. You probably can't see me too well because, you know, it's bright. Here, we gonna stand up. We gonna walk over here. We gonna shut that shit. And we gonna come back. Let me adjust this. Hello, motherfuckers. How are you today? It's a Monday. Time to get into it. Card hit. I hope everybody had a good weekend. I had a good weekend. I had a great weekend. Well, I wouldn't say a great weekend. I wasn't able to get on last night because my wife's, I guess you could say, their family dog yesterday took a turn for the worst. And poor Belephant's getting ready to go, man. I don't know if she's gonna make it through the Christmas. She gave up a little bit yesterday. She's just getting tired. Her legs are getting old and done, and she's an old dog, man. She's like 12 or 13 years old. Hick rip. Right? It's one of the things about having a dog, man. They get old and they die. If you want a bird, if you want a pet, that won't die, that will outlive you, yeah, it's a bird. Get like a cockatoo or something. Them motherfuckers can live for like 120 years. You literally have to introduce your brand new pet cockatoo to a person that's younger than you, so when you die, the fucking cockatoo is comfortable around that fucking person and has someone to console it. I'm not kidding, dude. Fucking birds. Them birds are a lot. Like having a fucking husky, dude. Having a husky, it's a second job when you have a husky. Like having a fucking child. Make sure you go check out my second YouTube channel, Flabeo Gaming, spelled how it sounds. F-L-A, right? Flab, F-L-A-B, R-I-N-E, Gaming. Flabeo Gaming. You're going to want to check that out. Look up the video, Little Meat, Big Balls with a Z. Check that shit out. That's me, motherfuckers. I'll tell you about it here, but I won't talk about it here. I've told you about it, and now we're done. I also have another channel called Black Sheep. Yup, I do. It's never gonna stop. I'm never gonna quit doing these daily wake and bakes. Pick it up, time for another cart rip. I know there's a lot of people here who like to smoke with me. There you go, Timmy Fields. Here's a nice big ass meme for you. You know, card hit. to write myself a little note. Make sure I don't talk about them motherfuckers here. I'm not going to redo the video, but I'll tell you what. Yeah. Nick Rip. So I don't know how many of you got me on Snapchat. It's real easy to find me. Flabeo. I'm wearing a Batman cowl. That's fucking me. Dude, check out my stories. I bought a set of Wolverine claws. I had them sticking in the Camp Crystal Lake sign, remember? I don't know if you could even see them or not. Yeah. Bent down the other day, stabbed myself right in the fucking forehead, split my shit, had blood running down my shit, dude. The wife almost grabbed my camera, but, you know, you can't. I'm not showing you my fucking face. Why do you wear a mask? Why the fuck not? Why do you wear a mask, Flob? Why don't you? You see, everybody already wears fucking masks. It takes a brave person to not put on a fucking mask when you meet new people or meet anybody, and that's me. This is for here. In real life, I have no fucking mask. Just like on Xbox, I have no mask, I have no filter. There is no subject that's too taboo to talk about, and I can have discussions with adults and agree to disagree on subjects, right? Well, I can do that, Flob. No, you can't. No, you fucking can't. Some people can say, oh, we can agree to disagree all they want, or some people can try and push their point when you know somebody is wrong, right? Sometimes it ain't even fucking worth it. It's not even fucking worth it. Boop. Until the subject changes. It's just, these are just getting high videos, man. We ain't talking about shit. And don't worry, you show up here making comments, you're getting fucking blocked, right? After I write your name down in the book of fucking death, your ass is gonna get fucking blocked. And then I'll talk about you one fucking time and let the world know you're a fucking absolute piece of shit. But that's on the gaming channel, right? See, we're still keeping it separate. Card hit. Hey, don't worry. On my gaming channel will be the entire full story of somebody who was dumb enough to send me information you shouldn't send to someone. You know, case in point, when you're a full-grown fucking person and you act like a child on the internet, maybe you shouldn't be on the internet. When kids act better than some of these motherfuckers, maybe you shouldn't be on the internet. How about that? It's fucking crazy, dude. I've seen kids act cooler than some of these fucking people. Car hit. Oh, man. I'm starting to get high as fuck. Here's a meme for you. I'll give you memes all day. Make me famous, motherfucker. I don't care. I love it. You know, it started here, Mr. Tim Fields of Delaware, with you. Hi. Thanks for the memes. Keep them coming. Oh, look at that. Do. See? About 10 minutes in. Let's start wrapping it up now. Still warm. So yeah, I had to move my Wolverine claws, stab myself in the fucking forehead. I got them over by my Xbox now. And I'll tell you what, I got some cool ass fucking cards, man. Like from when I was a shorty. Fucking see them. No, they're packed behind there. I got a Michael Jordan card that I promise you, there's probably maybe 4 or 5 in fucking existence still that maybe other motherfuckers were smart like me and decided to put these cards in a fucking sealed plastic fucking case, right? I got a hold of this card and immediately bought a $4 fucking card case for this card. It's one of the... Dude, look, I have an Emmitt Smith fucking rookie, yo. Do y'all even know who Emmitt Smith is? Do you even know? Do you even know? I got an Emmitt Smith fucking rookie. I got a Chris Webber see-through college card, dude. Shit. Wait till you motherfuckers see these fucking cards. You're gonna be like, what the fuck, Flab? I didn't know you collect cards. Uh-oh. Hold on, guys. I got something in my motherfucking eyeball. My eyeball. We just gonna leave this all in. I can't even look at the camera. I got my mask up. I got it. Oh, dude, that fucking hurt, yo. But yeah, I got a Chris Webber card you can fucking see through, right? You look at the front, you see the front of them, and you turn the card around and you see the back of them. Dude, it's fucking crazy. I've never seen a card like that ever, and I don't even remember where the fuck I got that card. I got a couple of artist renditions, Michael Jordan cards, you know, with the fake signature in gold. Shit, I got an Andre Dawson rookie. I got an Ernie Banks printed signed card, you know, where they printed with his signature on it. It's still an Ernie Banks card. Shit, dude, I got some cards in that motherfucker. I got some comic book cards, right? Dude, I got a Ken Griffey and a Ken Griffey Jr. regular card, and a Ken Griffey and a Ken Griffey Jr. hologram card. Yeah. Anybody even remember hologram cards and how big they were? I do. And then I got a Kirby Puckett card. I don't even know who the fuck Kirby Puckett is, dude. Like, man. And I got the entire 1992 White Sox baseball team, which had Michael Jordan. I think it was Michael Jordan, because I think his card's in there. And, no, it wasn't Michael Jordan. Or was it? I don't remember. But it's Bo Jackson, Frank Thomas, and some other people. Maybe Jordan was later. I don't remember. I'm probably 100% wrong in that because I'm high in a motherfucker and I can admit it. But I know for a fact Thomas and Bo Jackson were on the Sox. I got the cards. I just looked at them the other day. Like I said, Jordan could be wrong. I don't remember. It could have been later. It probably was later because weren't they winning the chip? Yeah, see, I am fucking wrong. Big deal. Ooh. Ooh. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys those cards. We'll splay them out here on the table of gore. And do a shot from up here. Show you all the cards. I mean, they're pretty fucking cool. And I thought I fucking lost them. Like, this little stack of cards is only a little stack of cards, maybe about this big. About that big, right? There's probably like $700 there. And I know cards ain't worth that much, but when you got an Emmitt Smith rookie in mint condition, and Andre Dawson, yeah, Andre Dawson rookie, his second year on the fucking Expos, dude. I got his card, mint condition. Like, I got some nice cards there, and them are my most valuable cards, and I've had them since I was a kid. It's a long time. Also, I'm going to be making a shadow box. I have the thick copy of Death of Superman. That's going to go in the center, and then I'm going to put the Man of Steel, Alien Superman, Cyborg Superman, and Superboy. The 4 Supermen that came after he died. And I'm going to make a giant fucking shadow box and put those 5 comics in there. Because that's the beginning saga of Death of Superman. And I also have all of the Funeral for Friends except, I want to say number 7 or number 6. That's the only one that I don't have. I would love to find that motherfucker and complete my set. Oh, let me tell you about some badass charger cords. Look, charger cord. On Amazon. I found a Microsoft Xbox cord. Right? It has 2 charger ends on it. So I can either charge both my phones, charge a phone in my cart, or I can charge a controller in my headset at the same time. And I'm going to tell you something. Everybody knows if you got a Samsung, they have what they call fast charging. I have 2 Samsung A12s. When I use this Microsoft dual Type-C controller, it fast charges both of them. That's fucking awesome. To be able to fast charge both of these motherfuckers. Oh, I love that shit, dude. Put those up there. And that's about it. I'm high in the motherfucker. I hope you got high watching it. You know what? Here, we're going to do a coffee sip because I ain't done the trifecta. Trifecta time. Here we go. We're going to do it twice. Sip your coffee. Right? Nick Rip. Card hit. Cup sip. Card hit. Little one. Now a real card hit. Nick Rip. As usual, keep your motherfucking toes out of my water at Camp Crystal Lake. Deuces, bitches.